All right, let's talk about food stamps, because I was staggered to find out these statistics that so far, this used to be a program that 1 in 50 families were tapping into. Now it's 1 in 7 families, and the program so far, the whole focus of it was an emergency operation to help people make ends meet until they get back on their feet. But now you have a food stamp program that is now advertising for people to come on, and now giving bonuses for states that expand their roles of those recipients. So when Bill Clinton was in the White House, it was let's get those numbers down. President Obama's in the White House, let's boost those numbers up.
Sure, there are some Republicans who feel that the food stamp program, which is there to help people who are in dire straits, it has become essentially a middle-class entitlement program. And so Senator Jeff Sessions, the senator from Alabama, he was trying to figure out, you know, that we got to be able to cut some of the waste. And so some of the things he suggested with his reforms would be so that if you've got tens of thousands of dollars in the bank, you would not qualify for food stamps. If you live in $1 million house, you shouldn't qualify for food stamps. Over the next 10 years, his reforms would cut only $20 billion out of $750 billion, $770 billion spent on food stamps. He was trying to trim 20. The Senate would not vote for it.
Because, I mean, basically all he was saying was let's means test it, let's asset test it to make sure that the people who are eligible are getting it and the people who don't need it are not abusing the system. So here are some of the GOP senators who voted against his plans to asset test this. It's Senator Scott Brown of Massachusetts, Senator Susan Collins, Senator Olympia Snowe, Senator Dean Heller. They didn't go along with it. And again, we said it's $770 billion over 10 years. They have to start somewhere.
If you live in $1 million house, should you be eligible for food stamps?
But why would you want to?
I mean, well, maybe you're out of work.
I just don't understand. And by the way, the vote was 58-41, so it wasn't even close. And one of the things they voted on is to give people $500 million to states that get more people to sign up. What is the objective of this program?
Every Democrat voted against it, except Claire McCaskill of Missouri, who is in a really tough race for her political life out there.